Hello, my name is Kian Dharani, a grade 12 student at Semiahmoo Secondary. I am in the International Baccalaureate program, and this video is a documentary of the CAS project that I did together with my partner Felix. The aim of our project is to analyze the water quality and health of the numerous creeks scattered across South Surrey White Rock, and to compile a report with the data that we have collected and send it to an environmental official. Further, we hope to spread awareness regarding our findings such that the health of these creeks may be maintained in the future. Special thanks to Liana Ayach and Madison Adams for letting us borrow the equipment used to sample the water quality. As it is not feasible to sample every creek, we have decided to use systematic sampling and chose 5 creeks distributed across South Surrey as the representation of the water quality in the region. The creeks chosen are Shanshaw Creek, Elgin Creek, Upper Titman Creek, Old Logging Ditch, and McNally Creek. My partner and I will sample the creeks once every week from July 29th to August 19th, 2021. The main mode of transportation will be on bikes. In our expedition, we tested 10 different variables, which consisted of the turbidity, the pH, the conductivity, the temperature, and the dissolved oxygen, phosphate, iron, copper, nitrate, and nitrite contents within the water. Find a safe location to perform your experiments similar to the area as shown in the video. Pour the water collected from the creek into the electrical conductivity meter collection slot and record the value shown on the digital display. Fill up the beaker with the water collected from the creek and place the dissolved oxygen tube inside. Place the tip of the tube in the corner of the beaker until it snaps, where you would then leave the tube inside of the beaker for roughly 1 to 2 seconds. After, take the tube out and begin to cycle through rotations of 180 degrees so that the bubble within the tube reaches both sides of the tube. Do this for 3 minutes. Compare the shade of the dissolved oxygen tube with the provided samples to measure the dissolved oxygen contents in the water. Once dipped into water, compare the shade of the pad with the corresponding shade of the squares on the bottle which you got the strip from to test for the phosphate contents in the water. Place the pH tablet from the pH testing kit inside of a sample of water from the creek selected. Close and wait for the tablet to completely dissolve until a constant color is shown. Compare the color of the water when mixed with the pH tablet with the pH chart given with the pH testing kit. Once dipped in water, compare the shade of the pads with the corresponding shade of the squares on the bottle which you got your strip from to test for both nitrite and nitrate contents. Once dipped in the water, compare the shade of the pads with the corresponding shade of the squares on the bottle which you got the strip from to test for the iron contents in the water.